Hello everyone! Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So first up we have someone that took like an old box and some sticks. Looks like they might be making some type of shelving here. Alright, so they added in some kind of wood stain or brown paint. Very cool idea. Nice little mug station for like the tea. Very cool. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by these project ideas, please be sure to hit that like button as well as subscribe for more DIY project ideas and reactions. Alright, so we have someone putting something together here. Like some type of shelving piece. Oh, I think she's redecorating her whole bathroom here. Okay, so she was putting together the vanity. Wow, I really like that piece. Very nice transformation. She definitely upgraded the space and elevated it. And then we have someone doing some DIY hanging planters out of popsicle sticks. This looks like a very beginner-friendly project. She's using an old plastic bottle for this. Yeah, this is definitely beginner friendly. And you could spray paint this too if you wanted to do it in like a different color, like a white, I think would look really nice. And she did succulent plants. Very nice. Very cute project idea. Now, looks like someone's trying to do a lampshade here. So they're adding some spoons. Looks like they're using the wooden spoon look. Wow. Oh, that is amazing. I love the way that turned out. And then we have another DIY featuring some spoons. So they're just using like the plastic white ones. I think the wooden ones definitely elevate the projects. It's just something about them, the way that they look. But you can always spray paint these too. Okay, so they ended up doing gold. We made 3 of them. Some little wired pieces here. Okay, so they're making like a stand. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Wow. Oh, I love this idea. Very cool. And then we have some burlap for the next project, some wire. Okay, so they used the paper towels as like a way to create the shape. I was wondering what they were doing. interesting. And then wrapping the burlap around the wired piece. Oh, they made leaves. Now, wait a minute. Those weren't leaves. I think they're making, yeah, wow. It looks like a flower. That is so cool. Well, I guess it is kind of leaves then. Very clever. Okay, so we have someone using wire here. Lots of measurements involved for this project. Looks like they're making some type of basket. Okay, so those are the handles. Well, no, those are just like a little decorative piece. Oh, that's cool. Okay, those are the handles. So she used like these little wooden pieces. Wow. That's really cool. Oh, that turned out amazing for the toilet paper. Very cool. I like the letter detailing too. That's very nice. Alright, we got a cup of coffee here. Looks like they're putting together an artwork piece. This is another like great project for your coffee bar area. Oh, it's an outline. Oh, that's cool. Very nice. And then a burlap in the back. That's very cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, and I will see you in the next one.